Well, hello, and welcome to episode 50 of Aftershock Weekly. We made it to the half-century mark. So, with this week, we want to talk about Google Analytics and really some key metrics that will help you make better decisions on how you build pages on your site, things you might want to adjust. So, let's go over a few. The first one is the audience section. The audience section tells you a little bit about your users, who they are, their demographics, which you'll need to enable if you go onto Google Analytics, so that it'll collect that data. And then it gathers that data from Google and all kinds of their sources to pull that into your Google Analytics, and it's all based on that user's IP address or handset ID. That's basically how they give you that information. But you can look at, how many males or females are coming to my site. What are the age ranges of people coming to my site? Where are they geographically located? And of all those three things, which one is turning into conversions? If you've got that set up, which ones are turning into sales? That's a great way to start looking at your data. Next, acquisition. In this area, it shows you where people are coming to your site. Was it AdWords that sent traffic to your site? Facebook, people organically going on Google and looking? And it breaks down all of those different individual ways that they can come to your site so that you can see what's giving you the best return. Because then you can look at that data and see, okay, of the organic traffic, how is it converting over my Facebook advertising? How is my Google AdWords, my paid ads converting over my organic? And you can compare these things to make sure that you do have a balanced approach. And a lot of times, let's say your paid ads or your Facebook ads aren't doing as well as organic. Well, you can tailor the message a little more on the landing page or send people to different places and test that to see if you can get your conversion rates up. And last, the behavior section. This actually shows you what content users are looking at on your website, how long they're staying, where they're leaving, what pages are converting into, form submissions or sales, whatever conversion action you're trying to get them to take. And this data is imperative because if you see one page that's getting, let's say, 50% of your views, but it's not converting anybody, and then they're bouncing, meaning that they're going to that one page and they're leaving, we know that that's probably not an effective page to send traffic to. And we can look at other pages that are converting well and make sure that we're sending more traffic to that with your advertising. So those are three great things that you can look at in Google Analytics. It's a free tool. We thank you for tuning into this milestone episode, number 50. With that, I'll leave you with a quote.